My experience with hair transplantation started when I was a resident, and that was 20 plus years ago. And during that time, the physician I worked with was a hair transplant surgeon. And so I learned the old way, the big plugs, and learned how to do those. And then over the years, I saw how transplantation advanced, and we've come a long way from back 20 plus years ago, and we're able to do transplants now that are just phenomenal. During that time, I worked for a national hair restoration company and was able to get a lot of experience all around the country doing hair transplants. During that 10 plus years I worked for that company, I've actually did over 10,000 hair transplants. So we're probably about 15,000 hair transplants now under my belt, and so we've got a lot of experience with different hairlines, different types of hair loss, different types of hair itself, because some hair is coarse, some hair is thin, some hair is fine, wavy. That all makes a difference in how we do the transplant, where we're putting the hair, and the actual hairline itself. And the best part about my experience over the years is watching these technical advances and seeing the results just change dramatically from hair to a hairline that's natural, that you can wash and wear.